you need Addison AC repair, choose First Class Heat and Air. We will send a technician to your Addison, Texas home fast. Our trained technicians and installers will go the extra mile to do the job right. We will take care of all of your air conditioning and heating needs. Our company is licensed and insured. Whether you need air conditioning repair, Addison service, or a complete new air conditioning system, we can do the job. If you need a new installation, your air conditioning equipment will be installed to Addison, Texas City Code. We work hard to please our customers. If you need AC Repair Addison service, call First Class Heat and Air 972-398-6151. We offer 7-day Addison air conditioning repair service. Call us now.